Happy Christmas!
Hello from the River of Lights, the Botanical Gardens in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Yeah, so you have been here in like years.
Years.
I've never been.
So this is exciting because
Yeah.
we're doing new things in
We are.
Albuquerque that we haven't done.
And it's 30-something degrees, so hey, why not? And it's supposed to snow in like 24 hours. So, yay!
My teeth are chattering. But if you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yeah, we're super excited. Trying new things, trying to stay warm. I don't know what to expect. Do you know what to expect?
I kind of remember.
Are you freezing?
Yeah.
We did not mentally or physically prepare for this
I was like,
place.
should I bring my thick jacket? But I was like, no, you'll be fine.
It's gonna be in the 40s. We're good.
No.
Well, yeah, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So, are you ready? Oh wait, if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell notification. Everything that you do, guys, puts us higher in the list, so that way we can be seen by other people and our community can continue to grow because you're part of it.
Yes, I'm excited because we're doing new things in Albuquerque that we haven't done for the Christmas season.
Yeah, because we've never been here in Albuquerque this deep into the year, so it's gonna be kind of fun.
True. But let's go.
Let's go. So we're in. They have cocoa and cider and coffee and donut holes and churros and donut holes. And here's the map. That's gonna be kind of cool.
That's where they have this stuff. And this is closet.
Here we go. Oh, this is clever. It's like a tiki bar.
Area. This is a little area.
Look at that tree. Wow. Oh, cool. They have like candles and stuff. Oh, that's gorgeous. That looks really cool. You know, tunnel lights don't have nothing on this. I don't even know if it's coming out good on camera.
Put this back up.
It's cold, guys. It's like 30-something degrees.
We're Floridians. What is this?
I know.
I should be used to this by now. Nope.
Nope. Yeah. Well, I'm just wearing a hoodie. Amber's like, hey, it's cold. Let's continue. Wow.
Wait till you see what's over there.
So,
I saw a little peek on it.
this glow with Silent Night playing in the background. Hold on, I'll let you guys listen to this. Look, listen. It's like we stepped into Lion King. I'm just kidding. Look at this turtle. Like, it's really cool.
Am I not turtling up for the turtle club?
Turtle. Oh, I haven't seen the movie in forever.
I know, Master of Disguise.
Look at the bald eagle, America. Look, it's Cinderella's carriage with a unicorn. A gnome. That's really neat.
Send me a picture of it, like.
Oh, we're continuing on.
We might have to get a cocoa soon.
Amber's like, I'm about to tap out. They have all these bugs and stuff. That's really cool. Oh my God, look over there. That's really neat. We'll get over there in a minute. Amber broke down and got a hot chocolate. I'm just holding it from my hands. They have a butterfly up there. They have a dragonfly. There's House Stark.
Oh God. Here too.
Hey, they have it. But look, they have cows.
Really? You walked right into my frame.
Oh, and then they have a UFO, but the lights are off. Oh my God, look in the middle.
Yeah.
There's a cow being abducted. There he goes. That's funny.
Look,
there's a
back
piglet.
in Nebraska.
Oh yeah.
The corn.
Look at the wolf or coyote. And then you have the corn stalks. Amber's like, I miss Nebraska.
No, I did not say that. Did not say that. Don't be lying. There's another UFO. It's hiding.
Oh, it's an alien. This is neat. We come in peace.
I was like, UFO. I'm like,
so now we're in Texas. You have a centipede.
oh, yeah.
Oh, look, they have like a little lizard. And then they have like skull and bones and stuff. Ooh.
There's a cactus in there.
Cactus. And then you have like more rabbits. They have a scorpion. No, they have the balloons. Look at that balloon. We all live in a yellow submarine. A yellow submarine.
Oh,
a yellow submarine. don't think Amber's seen it yet. But wait, she will. And she's going, see? She saw it. They have these hot cocoa stations everywhere. They're like a lifesaver today. Look at this. That's cool. It's actually kind of warm in here.
Yeah, I know.
That's cool.
This was his little anthill or something?
Yeah. That's really neat. Amber,
Yeah.
are you having fun?
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah. Are you always this blue?
It's the light.
Oh, okay. Amber. They said he's a myth. Look, we found him. The elusive Bigfoot.
Yeti or not.
I was 1000% impressed. I didn't know what to expect, but I didn't expect this. This was awesome.
This is really cool. $14 a person. You might as well buy them online because it's a lot quicker. Because we got here and they're like, oh, we need tickets, and then you buy them here. But the process was super easy to do.
Yeah.
And then you have a shuttle, or you can park at the main entrance too. It's totally up to you. But we were
Right.
probably here a little over an hour.
Yeah, I think, close to an hour and a half. It was actually, I mean, the only thing I didn't like, and I'm not trying to be negative, was that the hot chocolate was a little expensive, but
I agree. I mean, it was at least a bigger cup than usual. It could have been butterbeer.
it was like 30 degrees. Last time I remember being this cold was
Nebraska.
no, what you expect in Nebraska, but it was when we did the Christmas tour at Universal. It was cold that day.
Yeah, it was cold that day, but it was super cool. I definitely hope you guys made it out. Hopefully, we don't know when this video is gonna go out, so hopefully you guys make it out. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. All that stuff is free. It doesn't.
It helps us out a lot.
Yeah, and it means a world to us too, and it puts us higher in the rankings too.
We say it a lot, but we do mean it because we want more Fame Band members.
Yeah.
You guys are awesome. You always have our back. You're very supportive of us. We just want to say thank you.
Yeah, for sure. But honestly, can't recommend this place more enough.
It's really cool. Imagine coming during the day without the lights.
Oh yeah.
It's probably at least half a day.
Oh yeah. But guys, Merry Christmas to you and your family, and we will definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.